to our latest listing here in Springfield, Idaho. This home offers the perfect blend of the serenity of rural living with the contemporary features you'll find inside. Let's go take a look. As you enter, you're greeted by these beautifully updated floors that flow seamlessly throughout the house. They're durable, they're easy to maintain, and they add a touch of elegance throughout the home. And here's the heart of the home, the kitchen. So go check out the rest of the home and I'll meet you on the back deck. What truly sets this home apart is its breathtaking setting. Imagine waking up to these stunning rural views every morning and unwinding on your back deck. Here you can enjoy the peace and quiet that only country living can offer. Thank you for joining our tour today. If you're interested in this beautiful property or want to learn more about living in Springfield, be sure to reach out. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos or local insights. Until next time.